Hello students, how are you? I hope that you will be fine. I am Aditya Eknamra from LPM Public School and is a school situated in Golambasa. Hello students, I am Aditya Eknamra from LPM Public School and this is school situated in Golambasa. Today in class 4, we are going to discuss the topic that is exercise 14A. In exercise 14A, we have to discuss many questions. So come on the topic and let's discuss it. Question number 1. Question number 1 is identify. Question number 1 is identify. Identify the. Question number 1 is identify the line segments. Identify the line segments in the given figures. Identify the line segments in given figures. Question number A is that is there is a line segment AC and the midpoint is B. We have to write a line segment in the given figure. So the line segments are AB, BC and AC. AB, BC and AC. These are the line segments in this figure. Question number B. In question number B, that is a line segment AB and the midpoints are P and Q. AB and the midpoints are P and Q respectively. And we have to write the line segment, identify the line segment in the given figure. So the line segments are AP, PQ, AP, PQ, QB and AQ and PB and AB. Once again see here AP, PQ, QB, AQ, PB and AB. These are the line segments in the following figures. Now the next question is question number C, and in question number C there is a triangle. In question number C there is a triangle and this triangle is PQR. The line segments are PQ, QR and RP. PQ, QR and RP. We know that in a triangle have three line segments. These are PQ, QR and RP. Now the next one is question number D. Now the next question is question number D. That is there is a triangle and this rectangle, and this rectangle name ABCD. A B C D. Show the line segments are AB. Show the line segments are AB, BC, CD and AD. AB, BC, CD and AD. These are the line segments in a rectangle here. Now come on the next question, that is question number 2. Identify the figure and answer the question. Firstly, I have to draw the figure. This is the figure, and now AD and AC AD, AC and the points are A, B, C, D and E. These are the points. And now question number A. Question number A is saying that identify the points of intersection in the figure. Identifying the point of intersection in the figure. How many points of intersection are in the figure? Show which are point. There are, you can see here, 1 point of intersection, 1 point of intersection, 2 point of intersection, 3 point of intersection, 4 point of intersection, 5 point intersection and 6 point of intersection. Let's again count it. 1. What is intersection point? So you know that where two line segments meet or intersect each other, that are called intersection point. जहाँ पे दो लाइन सेगमेंट एक दूसरे को इंटरसेक्ट करते हैं या एक दूसरे को से मीट करते हैं, उस पॉइंट को हम पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन कहते हैं बेटा. यहाँ पे पॉइंट ऑफ ए जो है, दैट मीन्स 1, B is also point of intersection 2, C is also point of intersection 3, and D is also point of intersection 4, and E is also a point of intersection 5, and this is also point of intersection. So there are 6 point of intersection. So there are 6 point of intersection in the. Identify the points of intersection in the figure. So there are 6 points of intersection in the following figure. Question number B. There are 6 points. There are 6 points of intersection in the following figure. Question number B. Name 6 points in the figure. Name 6 points in the figure. You can name any 6 point in the figure. There are many points, and you can that is F also. So you can see here that there are many points A, B, C, D, E and F. There are many points. So you can write them. Name 6 points in the figure. The 6 points are A, B, C, D, E and F. These are the points in this figure. These are the points in this figure. A, B, C, D, E and F. These are the points in the figure. Okay. Now come on the next question, that is question number C. In question number C, that is saying identify 7 line segments. Identify 7 line segments. You have to write 7 line segments. So first line segment is AB. Write it. First line segment is AB. After that BC. After that BC, CD, CD, DE, DE and AE, DE and AE. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And after that AF and AF and AD. AF and AD. AF and AD. Listen here. AB, BC, CD, DE, AE, AF and AD. These are the line segment, and you can write many line segment in this figure. These are some of this. उसमें से ये कुछ है. अब बहुत सारे यहाँ पे line segments के points लिख सकते. Now come on the next question. That is question number D. Can you? What is the point of intersection of line AC and BD? Line AC and BD का point of intersection क्या है? यहाँ पे AC is a line, AC एक line है, and BD is also a line segment. And किस point पे ये दूसरे को intersect कर रहे हैं? किस point पे ये meet कर रहे हैं? That is point F. उस point का name क्या बेटा? F. यानी कि point of intersection AC और BD line का जो point of intersection है वो क्या है बेटा? F है. ठीक है? Is that clear? Question number E. Can you draw 2 more line segments in the given figure by joining any of the given point? So You can see here join B and E or join E and F. There are many conditions. So question number E, join B and E. Join B and E. Join B and E, and the next one is join. Firstly, join B and E. Join B and E and join E and F. Join E and F. Join E and F. Now the next question is, that is question number F. And the question number F is, that is, what is it? Identify the horizontal, vertical and oblique lines. Identify the horizontal, vertical and oblique lines. So we have to write horizontal, vertical and oblique line. You know that what is vertical line? Vertical line means standing line, horizontal line means sleeping line, and oblique line means slanting line. Now choose this line from this figure, and the following are AE and BC. AE and BC, these are the horizontal line. So in horizontal line are BA and BC. AE and BC. AE and BC. The horizontal line are AE and BC, and after that vertical line is AB. Only one vertical line. There is only one vertical line, and after that slanting line. The slanting lines are AC, BD and AD. AC, BD and AD. AC, BD and AD. AC, BD and AD. These are the slanting line in this figure. Now once again I want to revise all the question. Question number A, identify the following line segments in the given figure. यहाँ पे आपको अलग डिफरेंट लाइन सेगमेंट्स को आइडेंटिफाई करना है. इस लाइन सेगमेंट में AB, BC एंड AC 3 लाइन सेगमेंट है. क्वेश्चन नंबर बी में AP, PQ, QB, AQ, PB and AB. These are the line segment. Question number C, there is triangle. In a triangle we know that there are 3 line segment. So PQ, QR and RP. And question number D, AB, BC, CD and DA. 4 line segments are in a rectangle. After that, question number second ka A. Identify the points of intersection in the figure. There are 6 points of intersection. First one is A. What is point of intersection? Point of intersection का क्या होता है बेटा? जहाँ पे दो लाइन्स मीट करती हैं, एक दूसरे को इंटरसेक्ट करती है, उस पॉइंट को पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन कहते हैं. तो यहाँ पे A1, B2, C3, D4, E5 and F6. There are 6 points of intersection. Question number B. Name the points in the figure. Name any 6 points in the figure. So there are A, B, C, D, E and F. These are the 6 points in the figure. After that, question number C, identify 7 line segments. So AB, BC, CD, DE, AE, AD and EF. These are the 7 line segments. The next question number D. What the point of intersection of AC and BD? AC and BD का point of intersection क्या है? तो AC and BD, these are 2 line segment and on point F, ये दोनों line segment point F पे एक दूसरे को intersect कर रहे हैं, ठीक है? So that is point F. Question number E. Can you draw two more intersection of line AC and can you draw two more line segment in the given figure by joining any of the given point? Yes. Join B and E. Join B and E and join E and F. After that, the next question is identify the horizontal, vertical and oblique line. Show horizontal line means standing line. Horizontal line means sleeping line. Show AE and BC are horizontal line. Vertical line means standing line. There are only one line that is vertical, that is AB. And slanting line means oblique line means slanting line. And slanting line is AC, BD and BE. Okay, that is the slanting line. Now the next question is question number 3rd. Show come on the question number 3rd, that is the next question is that is question number 3rd. So you have to fill in the blanks in question number 3rd. So I will tell you and you have to fill the book and do in your fair copy. Okay. So question number A, a dash has only one end point. यानी कि वो कौन सा ऐसा फिगर होता है बेटा जिसमें ओनली वन एंड पॉइंट होते हैं. ठीक है, तो इसका सही आंसर होगा बेटा रे. ठीक है, यानी कि फिगर ओनली हैज वन एंड पॉइंट, यानी कि किस फिगर में ओनली वन एंड पॉइंट होते हैं, तो इसका आंसर है बेटा रे. ठीक है, और रे हैज ओनली वन एंड पॉइंट. आफ्टर दैट क्वेश्चन नंबर बी, a dash extend infinitely on both sides. You will know that beta a line is extend infinitely on both sides. So the answer of B is line. Question number C, a line has dash in point. A line has no end point. Line में कोई भी end points नहीं होते बेटा, क्योंकि ये दोनों साइड आपका क्या करती है, इनफाइनाइटली एक्सटेंड करती है, इसलिए इसमें कोई भी end points नहीं होते हैं. और डैश ऐसा डेफिनेट लेंथ, कौन सा ऐसा फिगर है जिसमें डेफिनेट लेंथ होते हैं बेटा, तो लाइन सेगमेंट. बिकॉज लाइन सेगमेंट इज अ पीस ऑफ लाइन, क्योंकि लाइन सेगमेंट जो होता है बेटा वो एक लाइन का एक पीस होता है. सो वी कैन से दैट अ लाइन सेगमेंट हैज डेफिनेट लेंथ. लाइन सेगमेंट की डेफिनेट लेंथ होती है. द लाइन ए बी इज रिप्रेजेंटेड ए बी. जो लाइन ए बी होती है बेटा वो ए बी, यानी कि द और ए बी, द लाइन ए बी इज रिप्रेजेंटेड ए बी, यानी कि ए बी and arrow on both side, and while a ray AB is represented as AB arrow on single side.